Okay, this is a deck out of the master, and it's pretty big deck. And this is what you're looking at off the master. Now. It's hard for me to see. This is the dock. You're at the end of the canal. There's some standing water down in that thing. And this is where your dock is. And then the dock ends there. And then the next property starts. And then there's their dock. And their boat dock. And then the next boat dock is where the empty piece of property is. And the next one has a boat. So that's the empty piece of property right there. Can you see it? Okay. And then this is the deck. Back on the deck. To the slider to the master. That's a window or something.